Hello and welcome to the video presentation of our advanced data mining project. Our research topic is motion detection using smartphone data. We will be discussing this research project into 5 different parts, starting with introduction, motivation and research question, followed by the methodology, model evaluation, and finally the future work. First phase is the introduction. Currently, humans are suffering from health issues at their early age, and life of humans are becoming very less. Therefore, health tracking is essential for each human. This can be done using tracking the activity of humans, for example, walking, sleeping, sitting, running, climbing up and down, and it can be achieved using smartphone as it contains sensors such as gyroscope and accelerometer sensors, which can basically sense the human activity. As we know, smartphone usage is increasing on daily basis from teenage to adults, so it can be used to get rid of human health issues. Machine learning algorithms will be used to smartphone sensor uh, reading data which will quantify this data and will give the current ongoing human activity, and therefore people fitness will be achieved using technology and data mining techniques. This will help human in getting accurate information of their activities and will work on themselves to increase the fitness level. The goal is to build a classification model to recognize human motion using data, and which would help them to identify the health weakness using smartphone sensor technology. The next phase is the motivation. Motivation comes from my interest in health industry, and according to World Health Organization, 80% of humans are physically inactive each year. World Health Organization also says that the daily activity done by the human body is directly responsible for the health, and approximately 2 million deaths are recorded each year due to infected by diseases, as they are not able to maintain the physical and mental fitness, therefore increase in health risk. Billions of people are using smartphone also helps me in motivating this research topic, as it will be easy to track the activities and analyze it using the smartphone sensor data. 141 million of people are using smartwatches, and as per Forbes it will double the count. This takes to my research question, that is, at what extent can machine learning techniques be used to predict accurate physical activity from smartphone sensor data. The next phase is the methodology. In our research project, the stages of quiz PM has followed for the methodology process. Here we'll discuss the modeling phase in which data mining techniques were used. Using this data mining techniques, various classification algorithms will be used to build a number of predictive models to find out which models will help us to accurately predict the activity of a model. The next phase is a model evaluation. So coming to the model evaluation, to build a predictive model, we use four different classification models. In classification model, we have used the accuracy rate as a evaluation parameter because our data set was fairly balanced with the proper data. Also, principal component analysis were used for dimension detection and removing unwanted data. Tuning of dataset is done to enhance the performance of a models. From the table shown, we chose the different classification algorithms, and from that we can analyze that K neural network gives the highest accuracy, that is 96.13%, and secondly the support vector machine gives 95.18% accuracy. The better the accuracy, the motion prediction will be more accurate. KNN performed well at the K equal to 5, that is the 96.13. We use a naive-bayes algorithm because our dataset consists of wide features, but it gave us the lowest accuracy of 76.99%. The second was the random forest, which was used because it consists of many decision trees, and it is one of the most popular predictive classification model, and also it is suitable for the wide features. It also deals with the overfitting and underfitting issues, but in our test it was a third, giving accuracy of 92.21%. The support vector machines were used as it supports many to many classification, and in our dataset, the dataset consists of six different activities, and therefore it was a multicast problem, and it was second most accuracy giving model. K-neural network is a powerful classification technique which predicts the output based on votes and predicted the accuracy of 96.13%, that is the highest. Therefore, KNN can give the highest motion accuracy when some action or activity is being recognized. Lastly, in future work can be implemented using neural network, as it is also one of the best classifiers used for solving classification problems. A recommendation system can be built by gym activity data using neural network. For example, if walking and running activity is done by human on daily basis, so recommendation system will recommend him to do sit-ups to have his daily fitness, and also depends on each person. This ends the presentation of our thing, and I appreciate any feedback, and thank you for watching.